Next, we're working on black bean cilantro dip. So similar to hummus, add your can of drained and rinsed beans or your home-cooked beans to a food processor. Then we're going to add some flavor. Of course, our garlic. And I like my zester, again, for garlic because I kind of get the most out of it. I'm going to go with 2 cloves. This is your preference. And juice and zest of a lime. I like just, again, get so much out of my limes that I like to add zest too. And if you don't have one of these handy dandy zesters, you can zest a lime on a box grater, just on the finest side of it. And then we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of cilantro leaves. I'm not too fussy about picking through the cilantro. I mean, it has to be good cilantro, but I don't pick each individual leaf off. I just cut the whole thing. We've got leaves in there, and then some spice. I add smoked paprika to this because it gives it a nice kind of like, I don't know, fiery, smoky flavor. And use regular paprika if that's not on hand. And we're going to buzz this up. Adding the oil and water to this to get the consistency that you want. And of course, seasoning with salt to taste. Okay, and this is something that if you wanted it a little spicy, then add cayenne in addition to paprika, or a little bit instead of paprika. Just a little bit goes a long way. Or whatever your fresh chili is. So this is just a base for another awesome dipper, my favorite for tortilla chips. It's also really good for a 7-layer dip. If you're, instead of doing refried beans, if you just want to do a quick food processor bean, it's there for you.